The Supertrend Indicator is used to identify trend direction and keep that trend visible as price develops. It is built from volatility, using average true range as part of its calculation, which means it adapts as market movement expands or contracts. The indicator appears as a single line around price. When the line is below price, the market is usually being read as bullish. When the line moves above price, the market is usually being read as bearish. This makes Supertrend useful as a trend filter, because it gives a clear view of whether price is trading with upward or downward pressure. The important point is that Supertrend is not trying to predict every price movement. It reacts to price and volatility. When price continues in one direction, the line can help maintain that trend view. When price reverses strongly enough, the line changes position and signals that the market structure may have shifted. The settings control how sensitive the indicator becomes. The average true range length affects how much historical volatility is included in the calculation. A shorter length makes the indicator react more quickly, but it can also create more frequent changes. A longer length smooths the reading, but it may react more slowly when the market turns. The multiplier controls how far the Supertrend line sits from price. A lower multiplier brings the line closer, making it more sensitive to price movement. A higher multiplier places the line further away, which can reduce noise but may also delay the signal. The right setting depends on the market, time frame, and whether the focus is short-term movement or broader trend direction. A practical way to use Supertrend is as a confirmation tool. If price is above the Supertrend line and the line is moving below price, the broader bias may remain bullish. If price is below the line and the line is positioned above price, the broader bias may remain bearish. This can help traders avoid taking setups that go directly against the active trend. Supertrend can also help with stop placement. Because the line adjusts with price and volatility, some traders use it as a dynamic reference for managing risk. In a trend, the line can act as a trailing guide, but it should still be read with support and resistance, recent highs and lows, and overall market structure. One of the indicator's main limitations is that it can struggle in sideways markets. When price moves without a clear trend, Supertrend may flip between bullish and bearish signals with limited follow-through. This can create false signals if it is used on its own. In short, the Supertrend indicator is used to read trend direction through price and volatility. It can help define the active bias, support stop placement, and filter weaker setups, but it works best when used with broader price structure rather than as a standalone signal.